Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Lexi, and today I'm going to be giving you my top 10, hopefully I can keep it there, I have a couple more than that, but top 10 Valentine's Day gift ideas for 2021, and I wanted to make this list things that you could do if you were not going to be with your significant other this Valentine's Day, because I realized that not everyone is lucky enough to spend Valentine's Day actually with their significant other. So I wanted to give you guys ideas to still make them feel super special and loved this Valentine's Day 2021. So without further ado, let's get into these gift ideas. So the first one is sending a super cute food item gift. So what I mean by that, and I said it like that because I grouped these, is an edible arrangement or Baked by Melissa, and both companies are super awesome and can get things really quickly. So I mean, I would probably schedule in advance since it is a popular day for those items, but you can get them pretty close last minute as well, and they both do a really good job at making Valentine's Day specific and other like birthday and whatever, side note, but themed boxes and treats for your loved one, and you can get it shipped right to their door and put your own note and card and add balloons and other cute stuff to it. So it's really a fun gift to give and receive. I would prefer to be on the receiving end of it, but I also love to send them, and like I said, it can be a little bit more last minute than a lot of other gifts. They're like, edible arrangement is like almost as good as Amazon, at least near me, so it's just really awesome that they can do that, and a really, like I said, a great gift to give and receive. So my second gift idea is a Lush box, and this is better for giving to a girl than a boy, just from my personal experience, but it really is a lot of fun and something to ask for if your significant other does not know what it is. And they make, again, like themed boxes, and it can be like, I love you, and they have like bath bombs and soaps and other things, and it smells amazing. And I'm lucky enough to have one in my mall at home, but a lot of people don't know what that is. But again, I will be linking all of these brands down below so you can check them out. But I just think it's a really fun thing, and again, even if it's not Valentine's Day, a great thing to know about, and that you can send themed boxes and kits for people. My third gift idea is a coordinate gift. So this can look a lot of different ways, because you can do like canvases or bar necklaces, you can do like glasses, mugs, literally anything that can be customized. You can draw something if you're crafty, like you can do it on a wallet or a metal wallet slip, like any of those kind of things. So especially if you're doing distance, it's really nice to put that coordinate back to the place you met or love the most, or spend time together, or your home, or wherever that may be, and it's really meaningful. And even honestly, if you are together, there's still a place that is home to you as a couple. But anyways, there's definitely a place that you can put the coordinates to back for your significant other. The next thing is a friendship bracelet or lamp. Now, if you know what this is, you gotta get one if you don't already have one, but if you don't, it is actually the coolest thing ever. And sadly, mine is not working right now, so I cannot show you, and I need to call my school's IT because our Wi-Fi like doesn't let you connect those things. But anywho, if I can get some way to show you in here, I will definitely do that. But what a friendship lamp is it is something that you can show someone you're thinking of them without like bothering them per se, I guess. So obviously we all have cell phones, and like that's nice to get a sweet text, but these are the coolest thing because the bracelets obviously you can wear, and like the lamps you'd have to keep in your room. But what it does is you can tap it or push a button on them, and it will send a light to the other person so they know you're thinking about them. And it's really cute, and I really enjoy mine. My boyfriend actually got it for me and my mom to have, so I really need to get that fixed. But I would love if me and my boyfriend were separated for longer periods of time to have one with him, because it's just a great way to know someone's thinking about you. And if someone's at work in a place that you can't talk to them all day, something that without having to call them, text them, or make them check their phone, it'll just light up and show them that you care and love them. So I just think it's a really cute gift, and there are a lot of brands that make them, and again, I will link them down below because it's just really special to have. So my fifth gift idea is letters to open when. If you've heard of this, you know the drill, but essentially what it is you write on every single envelope a different reason why you'd open it. So open this when you are feeling sad, open this when you're feeling happy, open this when you feel lonely, open this when you miss me. Like, they can be uplifting, or they can admit that we all have bad days and things like that. So it's just a fun way to give a gift that keeps on giving and won't be all used up on the same day. So you can do like, open this one today and then go on from there. And this is definitely time consuming, but so worth it. And again, like I've said in my other videos, I will make a whole Pinterest board to give you inspiration on these ideas because they are really great, but I know sometimes it can be a little difficult to think of these things. And I know boys, girls really appreciate gifts like this, and girls, your man will definitely appreciate it as much as you think it's corny. Let's be honest, like, Valentine's Day is an excuse to be corny and give all those kind of gifts. So definitely, I highly recommend this one and taking the time to do something like this. So my sixth gift idea is to plan something for the next time you are together. So especially if you're doing distance, this is something like you actually have to plan something for the next time you're together, or it actually looks like you forgot to get a gift or something. So like, it has to be when we see each other on these dates, we have spa appointments. When we see each other on these dates, we're going to a movie and here's the tickets. Like, it has to be something that actually shows you planned something together and not like, oh, sorry, I forgot about Valentine's Day. Like, we'll figure it out at some point and I'll make it up to you. Like, no, this needs to actually be planned, and it can seriously be as simple as like, we're gonna go on a picnic date and here's a gift card that we're gonna use. Like, that's the type of thing to show that you want an experience, because experience gifts are the best gifts if you ask me, besides personalized. But if you know me, you already know those things. But I just think it's really, really special to have something to look forward to. I love those kind of gifts and ideas, so definitely really highly recommend that one. So my seventh gift idea is, again, another thing I'm kind of like grouping together. So a box of favorites, and this can be something that is your significant other's favorite things, or your favorite things together, or things that represent like your favorite trips. But also along with that, I'm going to tie in the senses gift idea, just because I think this can make it really cool. So if you've never seen it, the senses gift idea goes off your 5 senses. So taste, smell, sound, hearing, touch. What are the 5 senses? So the 5 senses are sight, sound, smell, taste, and touch. So if you can relate the favorite things to those, I think it makes it really cute. And Pinterest has a lot of fun ideas on how to do that, to do like I love you with all of my senses, and then go into those things. And I've actually done this for my boyfriend and went a little crazy with it, and it was a lot of fun, and it was super cute, and I like printed out the tags for all the gifts. So I just really love that idea. And even if you can't tie them to all your senses, doing just the favorites is also super cute. So my 8th gift idea, again, tying things together that are super cute that relate, is Knock Knock is the brand, and they make these super cute books, and they're really little, and I've actually done a couple of them for different people, but they do make one that is What I Love About You. So boys, this really helps, and girls in newer relationships, it might help you as well if you can't do like full-on letters for each other, because these give you like little prompts that you can use. Like, for example, it'll say like, I love it when you blank, or you just keep getting better at blank, or like, you give the best blank ever. Like, it's super cute, and it really helps to get the words out that you didn't even know you were thinking or feeling, because it prompts you with those ideas. And going off of that, another thing on Amazon is the adventure book, and if you haven't heard of that, it's another super cute thing. And I guess these kind of don't go together at all, but I was trying to make 10 ideas, so sorry I grouped them. But the adventure book is really, really cute and fun. So basically it gives you all these date ideas, and you can scratch them off, and you can get Polaroids and stuff to put the pictures in. So it gives you ideas on things to do, but honestly, I don't know how social distancing, things being closed friendly it is, so maybe not exactly this time, but my idea to go off that would be like to make your own, and that's how you can kind of combine the ideas. So like you can make your own book of things you guys have talked about wanting to do together, and do the Polaroid and places to put the pictures, and in between some pages do some I love it when or I love you because cute things to like add some like gift to it, since these will all be like hypothetical things for the future. But I just think, number one, those are awesome because you can order them on Amazon. Number two, you can also make your own little flair of it. So super cute ideas. My 9th gift idea is to do fun, comfy, self-care, self-love things. So that can include the comfy, which is really awesome. It is like a big oversized sweatshirt blanket type of thing that you can wear around, and it is really comfortable and cozy, and I know I love gifts like that. Robes, things like that, slippers. I always have my UGG slippers on if you haven't noticed. Sorry, I just literally like flashed my feet at you guys, weird. Anyways, any of that stuff, like you can get the products they use in the bathroom, or you can order like pajamas. A lot of places have really fun Valentine's Day themed pajamas or things of that nature, so it's just a really cute thing to do. It's just the gift that really keeps on giving. So number 10, the last gift that I think is really cool but definitely takes a lot of effort. It is a DIY explosion box, and it is DIY because you have to like fill everything in, but they like give you the box to do so. So if you've ever seen these on social media, you can fill them with pictures, and then there's a space for a gift of some sort in the middle. So I just think these are really meaningful because you can put all sorts of pictures, and some of them have places for writing as well, or instead of a picture you could write a note or something, and then put a smaller gift in the middle, which could be as like significant or not as you want, because you're going to put so much effort into the box itself and the meaning will already be there. But I just think this is really cute, and since they have like the format for it, it makes it easier to put together, but definitely like still a lot of work. But I just really love that, and I saw that, and I either want to get or give one because I think it's really awesome. But that is it for these Valentine's Day 2021 gift ideas. I said 10, it was kind of more than 10 because I grouped some things that belonged and some that didn't. Anyways, I hope they were great ideas and really help you out, because I know it can be hard, especially long distance, like I said, to do significant gifts that are meaningful, that your significant other will enjoy. But also don't forget to check out my Pinterest. I will have that as well as all these other ideas linked below, and check out my other Valentine's Day videos for more idea to make your Valentine's Day 2021 super special. And subscribe to my channel and like this video if you enjoyed it. And now that is it. I'll see you next time. Bye guys.
Society, your body.